Hello friends, my name is Kishan and welcome you in this video tutorial. In this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to create custom events in Spring Framework. So if you want to create a custom events in Spring, then there are number of steps you need to keep in mind. So first of all, you need to create an event class. Let's say we are going to create a class like custom event by extending application event class. So just right click over here, create a new Java projects and give the project name custom event handling. Click on the next and finally click on the finish button. So here is the project. Now right click over here and go to the build path, configure build path, add library, user libraries, select Spring library. Now let's create a class package name com.infotech and class name I am going to give custom event. Event that is going to extend application event. So by default object is the super class. Here I am going to extend with application event. Okay, we don't require main method in this class, so let's add this constructor. Once you create this class by extending application event, then you need to invoke superclass constructor from this subclass. Actually superclass has a constructor which takes single parameter, so this is the responsibility of subclass to invoke the superclass parametric single parametric constructor. Now here just define a method is called public string to string and return a string my custom event. Okay, so we are done creating this class. Now let's create a custom event publisher class. So new class custom event publisher class, which implements one interface is called application event publisher aware. Application event this interface. So this interface has certain methods you need to implement. Main method is not required at all. Just remove these things. Now declare this variable as instance variable private, something like this, and inside this dot okay, and let's create one method. Let's add and one method is called public void publish event. And here you can create a custom event object. Here you can pass current class object. Now you can make use of this guy, publish event, and you can pass Control A, Control Shift F for formatting. Now let's create a custom event handler class. New custom event handler class, which implements application listener, which will implement application listener class. Here we will use generics custom event. This is class created by us. And here this is our class, which custom event class. Here we can write custom event, and here we have a toasting method, so we can call it explicitly. Now let's create a client program over here. New class com dot infotech dot client, and here give the class name as test, select main method, finish. Now here you can select abstract application context, class path XML application context, and here just pass this beans.xml, which I haven't created it. I will create after a certain while, and close this guy, and first let's create beans.xml. So right click over here, new, search for XML, give the file name as beans.xml, and here we required doc type. So which doc type we can copy from existing example. XML doc type we need to copy from existing example, so let's copy from here and paste it over here. Oh, it's partially copied, so copy it from here, paste it here. Now close this beans tag. Now we need to register our bean id equal to and class equals to. So we have a custom event handler. Copy copy this qualified name and paste it over here. ID, no need to give, and finally we need to configure custom event publisher as well. Custom event publisher. And here you can specify the ID. If you want, you can customize, you can specify ID for this guy as well. Guys, with a small letter. Now go to the test program. Here we will ask for the bin. It's called custom event publisher. So get bin, and here in this XML file you can ask for this bin. Got this object. Now this, you can call method of this class, it's called publish event. And now let's run this application. So see, we are successfully able to call our custom event handler, custom event. So this is the way to implement custom event in a Spring framework. I hope you guys understood. So the way to create custom event in Spring framework, first of all you need to create a class with any name, but that should end with the event. That is the standard we used to follow, and that should extend application event. And you need to write a constructor with super, which is the first keyword, and you need to define a method, like you can define like twisting, so that this message will get printed. After that you need to define a event handler which will implement the application listeners, and here is the class which we have created, an event handler class, and you need to override this method. Finally you need to create a class like event publisher, which implements application event publisher aware interface, and you need to override this method, and this variable you need to declare as the instance variable, so that you can make use of this. And you need to, after that you can define a method which will publish an event, and you can make use of your custom event class over here. I need to pass the current class objective over here. And finally application event publisher as a publish event method. Here you need to pass your custom event. So, and finally from test method, from test class, just you are asking for this bin from container, and finally you are calling this publish event method which we have defined over here. So this is the way to define custom event. That's all I have in this video, guys. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe it. Thank you for watching my video. See you in next video tutorial.